Question: how can you ensure data security in AWS? Answer: ensuring data security is a crucial aspect of using AWS. AWS provides a robust set of security features and services that can be leveraged to protect your data. Here are some key practices to ensure data security in AWS. Number 1. Identity and Access Management (IAM). Implement strong IAM policies to manage user access and permissions, assign appropriate roles and permissions to users and services. Following the principle of least privilege, regularly review and audit IAM configurations to ensure they align with security requirements. Number 2. Encryption. Use encryption to protect data at rest and in transit. AWS provides services like AWS Key Management Service (KMS) to manage encryption keys, encrypt sensitive data stored in databases, EBS volumes, S3 buckets, and other storage services. Implement SSL TLS encryption for data in transit using services like AWS Certificate Manager, ACM, or third-party certificates. Number 3. Network security. Implement network security measures to control traffic flow. Use Amazon Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) to isolate resources and define security groups and network ACLs access control list to control inbound and outbound traffics. Use AWS WAF web application firewalls to protect web applications from common security threats. Number 4. Data classification and access control. Classify and label your data based on sensitivity. Apply appropriate access controls to ensure only authorized individuals or systems can access and modify the data. Use AWS service features like S3 bucket policies, IAM policies, and VPC security groups to enforce access controls at various levels. Number 5. Logging and monitoring. Enable AWS CloudTrail to log API activity and AWS config to track resource configurations. Use AWS CloudWatch to monitor and set up alarms for security events. Analyze logs and monitor for any unauthorized access attempts or suspicious activities. Number 6. Data backup and disaster recovery. Implement regular data backups to protect against data loss. Use AWS services like Amazon S3, Amazon EBS snapshots, or Amazon RDS automated backups to create data backups at regular intervals. Implement disaster recovery strategies to ensure business continuity in case of outage or disasters. Number 7. Vulnerability management. Regularly scan for vulnerabilities and apply security patches to your AWS resources. Use services like Amazon Inspector, AWS Trusted Advisor, or third-party vulnerability scanning tools to identify and remediate security vulnerabilities. Number 8. Security best practices and compliance. Follow AWS security best practices and adhere to industry compliance standards. relevant to your organization. AWS provides documentation and guidelines for various services to help you implement security controls effectively. Number 9. Employee education and awareness. Conduct security training programs for your employees to raise awareness about best practices, security policies, and potential threats. Regularly review and update security policies and procedures based on emerging threats and new security features in AWS. Number 10. Third-party security solutions. Consider using third-party security solutions and tools that complement AWS native security features. These solutions can provide additional layers of security such as advanced threats detection, data loss prevention, or security information and event management capabilities. Remember that security in AWS is a shared responsibility. While AWS is responsible for the security of the cloud infrastructure, you can responsible for securing your application and data running on AWS. By implementing these security practices, you can enhance data security and protect your resources in AWS. Thank you.